Document number 2. Assembly and Grand Jury Selection. The assembly must be open to the public. Public notice of the assembly must be reasonable and timely. There shall be at least 2 common methods of notification utilized. At the commencement of the particular assembly, a volunteer shall openly determine if the public has been properly notified. In the event notification requirements are met, the volunteer shall return the chair to the speaker, who will expedite a discussion to impanel a common law grand jury. The goal of the discussion is to determine the qualifications to become a juror sitting on the advisory grand jury of Gallatin County. Montana tradition. Our tradition in Montana required grand jurors to be: number 1, lawful inhabitants of Gallatin County with strong connections to the community, and second, knowledgeable in our common law, and third, honest and fair-minded with no conflict of interest, and fourth, willing to serve on the jury. After the assembly discussed the qualifications, the assembly selected about 24 grand jurors. Volunteering was a traditional method of selection. In the event that more than 24 people qualified as jurors, the tradition was to draw names out of a hat to select the 24. Any method of selection may be modified, amended, added to, or ignored. Foreman selection. After the assembly had seated about 24 qualified jurors as the advisory grand jury, said jury selected a foreman. The foreman then initiated and expedited all discussions and decisions. The foreman affixed personal authentication on any bill, either a true bill or not a true bill, endorsed during the foreman's term.